Good afternoon, children. Welcome you all to the Science Civilization Standard 3. Today we are going to revision the Term 2 portion. Lesson 1 Food. Every day we feel hungry. Why do we eat every day? Because every day we feel hungry, then we eat something. Anything that we eat or drink is called food. Our body is telling us that is need food because food help our body to grow. Food gives us energy, help us fight disease. Food gives that keep our body strong and healthy. To be healthy, we must eat right food in the right quality. Food gives us energy to think, play and work. Now today we are going to reverse the food and food nutrients. Food nutrients. We eat different food items. Some are raw, some are cooked. Each of food items contain different nutrients. Now we recall what is nutrients. Nutrients. Healthy substance present in food is called nutrients. There are 5 main nutrients that our body requires. First, there are carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. Today we are going to recall this concept about these nutrients. First, our body needs energy to do all types of work in our daily lives. Carbohydrates and fats are the nutrients that provide energy to our body and help it perform various functions. So, the fats not only provide energy to our body but also keep us warm. So, only we called as food stuff contain carbohydrates. Fats are called energy giving food. Carbohydrate fats are energy giving food. The energy giving foods are rice, bread, chapatis, maize, potato, banana, millet, and sugar, honey, and sugarcane are some of the main sources of carbohydrates. This is an example of carbohydrates. Fat contain cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil, and nuts. These foods contain fats. Next, first we recall energy giving food. Next, bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods helps to build and maintain replace the tissues in our body. Protein helps our body to grow and repair the worn out tissues. So, food stuff contain protein are called bodybuilding food. Which food contain protein? That foods are called bodybuilding foods. Example, different food items contain different types of proteins. Milk, cheese, pulses, nut, egg and fish are the some of the main source of protein. This food contains protein. Okay. Next, protective food. Next, nutrients. Protective food is the vitamins. Our body needs vitamins to work properly. Okay, so we need vitamins. They protect our body from disease and keep us healthy. Okay, so only this is a protective food. Vitamins and minerals is the protective food. Our body needs vitamin in small quantity only. Yeah, vitamin has type of vitamin. Different types of vitamins are there. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Now we recall which food contain these types of vitamins. Carrots, okay? Main types of vitamin that help us to stay healthy. Which should include all such items in our food. First, carrot. Carrot contains vitamin A. This helps us to healthy eyes and hair. Okay, then egg. Egg contains vitamin B. And gooseberry, vitamin C. Milk contains vitamin D. These are helps our body healthy, helps to fight disease, against to fight disease. So now we are feel hygienic and more healthy. Then sunflower oil contain vitamin E. Then cabbage contain vitamin K. Everyday life we take this type of food. We our body contain vitamins. So we take this for in our daily life. We must take this food. This food contain nutrients. Food contain carbohydrates, fat, vitamin, minerals, and protein. This 5 food nutrients present in your food in your daily life. You have more healthy person in your life. Next, vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for strengthening our bones and teeth. Besides vitamins, our body also need many different minerals for staying healthy and active. Minerals also important for our body. Now we discuss minerals. Minerals regulate the body. Minerals helps in the formation of blood, bone, teeth, etc. They regulate the body, the formation of bone, teeth, blood. Food items rich in minerals are milk, apple, sponge, beans, egg, banana, and garlic. These are contain minerals. They helps to build our bones. Okay, children. Then minerals are need by our body in small amount. Small amount we take every day. Okay, children. I hope that today we are recalled the concept of nutrients. Everyday life we take small amount of this type food contain these nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, protein, minerals. These 5 must take your daily life routine. So only your body will healthy and more energetic. Okay, students, I hope that you recall this section. Thank you. Have a nice day.